Hey there YouTube, trying out audio this time. This video I am trying to demo my Behave WebSeed lib setup. So we're going to real quick git clone, import it into a folder called example. Let's enter example. For simplicity's sake, we're going to use a virtual env to install the library. So mk virtual env example dash behave. Let me load up my bash profile, make sure this works. Okay, so there's a requirements.txt, so we're going to start with pip install-r requirements, and that's going to install Behave and Splinter and Chrome driver and all of their dependencies. So we'll give that a sec. And Splinter relies on Selenium. So while we're waiting, the background here is I wanted to emulate the Capybara, Cucumber, and Selenium grid functionality that Rails has for BDD and automated integration testing in Python. And the Behave library works pretty well. The Splinter library, which wraps the Selenium Python WebDriver library, works excellently. So, and I know a few people have tied these together. I know Django has a distribution, Django-Behave, that works very well for testing Django applications. But I have a few non-Django applications that I need to test, and I would like to just write a one-off testing library for them. So coming with the WebSeed gives me, let's open Atom so I can better view this. So following the feature directory into steps, the important thing here is this repo comes with a bunch of pre-built steps that you can use that wrap the Splinter library, which basically, if you come into the README, you can see, given I am on the page with URL this, I can open a page with that URL. You can click on buttons or elements with names, IDs, CSS, or XPath. You can fill in fields like that. You can click links, choose options, your basic actions that you can do in a browser, and then see if text is there, see if text is not there, see if you're on a certain page. So looking to expand this library as I go. This is a pretty good starting point. If you check out the web sample feature, I give an example of it being used to do some quick Googling, put search and check. To see it run, we can, all you have to do is run Behave in the root directory once you have everything installed, and it will launch up the test runner here, and you can see it run along, and it's running Splinter, so it's running the Selenium grid against, in this case, Chrome driver, and it allows you to very quickly automate, in English no less, your integration tests. So that's basically it. The Behave interface is excellent, and it is fantastic for running Splinter for web integration testing. And it's especially good because you can start wrapping some of your Pages functionalities in step files, and you can make very succinct test feature files that do very, very expansive amounts of testing. So check it out. It's available. GitHub.com/MC706 Behave WebSeed. Everything's well documented. I have a list of all the commands you can use. I'm going to continue adding things to this as I go. But let me know what you guys think.